For the entering or emerging student, or in some states they're referred to as beginner, we certainly want to use predictable or patterned text. And again, we want to use text on a theme. So as they learn the vocabulary that is associated with that theme, and they continue reading books, the books make more and more sense to them because there's many more words that now they know. So I want to start with that predictable and patterned text. I want to have all cueing systems on. I want to make sure that there's plentiful visuals. I want to make sure that they can decode the regularly decodable words. I want to make sure that there's lots of the early sight words in the books, and there should be if I'm using patterned or predictable text. And what I'm really working towards is to build confidence. But for English language learners, they're trying to make sense of English. So the most important thing to them is to capture the gist of the text. And this is why it's so helpful to do picture walks and to do read alouds and to do shared reading and all of those tactics. And I'm talking about any age learner who is an entering or emerging student. They need to come in the same way. And so here's the challenge. We need to have age-appropriate material that is patterned, that is predictable, that has all the cueing systems. And I know that that material exists. So it's really up to us to find that material. At the secondary grades, it seems to be a bit more plentiful when it comes to informational text, but I'll start there. I'll use the informational text. I'll use that patterned or predictable text. I'll use all the visual cueing systems that the text offers. Some of those texts are called photo texts because on one page there's text and right next to it there's wonderful photographs that show everything that the text is saying. And that allows an English language learner to compare the text to the picture, to start to make good guesses about what the words might mean. And that's the process. If they are literate in their native language, they're going to go rapidly through those early texts because they have a lot of skills that they're bringing to the task. So as the learners are older and they have more literacy skills, they'll jump right through those emergent texts, but they have to start at the same place. Patterned and predictable text, working on all the cueing systems in an integrated fashion within the text, and using texts that are all in the same theme, because as they build the vocabulary in English, they're going to expand their vocabulary as they go across text. They're going to make better and better guesses. And the most important thing is they're going to build confidence.